Headsets are literally a dime a dozen. So what makes this headset from Valorise special? Well, today we're gonna unbox it, tell you all about it, and show you everything that you get when you unpack it. And we're gonna go over all the ins and outs of this headset from Valorise. All right, so now that we've got the Valorise UG-08S unboxing, yes, that is the name of these headphones. Let's talk about the actual headset itself. Once you get them out of the box, it comes with a dongle that is easily plugged into a USB Type-C connection on your computer or a USB Type-A, whichever you choose. Pairing mode is easy. Just power on the headset and it will automatically pair to the dongle, which is a 2.4 gigahertz connection. It boasts a battery life of up to 45 hours while using 2.4 gigahertz mode. That's with lighting and 7-point surround sound on. You can choose Bluetooth as well. Bluetooth mode, you turn off the lighting and the 7.1 surround sound, and it boasts up to 100 hours of battery life. It does have a 1000 milliamp battery. Out of the box, it takes about 2.3 hours to be fully charged. So fast charging, long life are going to be a one good key thing about this headset. One thing I will say about the headset, while trying to pair it in Bluetooth mode, it says press the power button approximately 3 times to enable pairing mode for Bluetooth. However, it took me multiple attempts to get this headset to connect to my phone and to my PC as well. It will connect to mobile devices, so you just have to play with it a little bit to be able to get the Bluetooth to work correctly. The only really bad thing I can say about it is the fact that the Bluetooth was kind of difficult, and I even went and read through some of the comments on the website for reviews, and they said Bluetooth doesn't work. I can't get Bluetooth to work, but I messed around with it quite a bit, and it actually does work. Sound quality is relatively good as well. You can't notice any real difference between switching from 2.4 gigahertz mode to Bluetooth mode as well. So either one that you connect as, sound is perfectly fine. 7.1 surround does offer some enhancement to the sound quality while you're playing game. It's not heavy bass, it's really lightweight. So I've been testing these out with a game I've been playing just to see what the sound quality is like while gaming and listening to music as well. I'll switch over here to the game I've been playing. I've been playing World of Warcraft a lot lately. So let me switch over here real quick. So here we are inside of the game. I'm just going to mount up, and as you can see, let me explain to you what I'm hearing right now. I can hear every single little step, footprint, noise that's going around me while I'm walking. As soon as I press dismount, I'm going to drop down. I can hear pretty much every little noise. I'm not a big headphone wearer. A lot of times I use speakers on my desktop while I'm gaming or while I'm listening to music. So I very rarely use headphones a lot of times. But whenever I put these on, my immediate attention was drawn to the fact that I could hear the clippity clop of the horse's feet while I was walking around. Let me give it a switch back over again. And just jumping and things like that. All this is picking up for me. And when I'm using desktop speakers, I can't hear these sounds. So I'm basically playing on mute mode, I guess you could say, by using just speakers. But while playing this, I could pick up all the little differentiation noise on the side, right, and left. With 7.1 surround sound on it actually enhanced that. A lot of times 7.1 surround sound in games or in headsets are not done very well, and that has always been a pet peeve of mine, but he's actually doing pretty well. I mean, it's nothing groundbreaking at all, but it does sound really nice when you have the 7.1 surround sound on. All right, so let's actually talk about some of the things about this headset I really like. One thing, it will connect to a multitude of devices: PlayStation, it'll connect to Switch, it'll connect to PC, and your phone as well. So connectivity is really nice, and that is a really good feature with a lot of headsets that I see now. Even at this price point, they're about $39 on Amazon. So I can leave an affiliate link if you want to pick these up for yourself. But again, lighting on it is on the side right here. It does have a light blue ring. There are a multitude of colors of the headset it comes in. There's a black, a white, a pink, a red and black as well. So a multitude of headsets. So you can find the right color headset each one. I actually like white headsets personally. That's just my thing. In comparison to other headsets that I've owned in the past, they are really lightweight. I've used some cordless ones. I've got quite a few pair of wireless headsets that I do use. One pair that I paid a good bit of money for, they are extremely heavy, and the sound quality in comparison to these is not nearly as good. So for a $40 set of headphones versus, and I'll go ahead and tell you, a $180 set of headphones, sound quality on these is just as good as those. And I'm not going to tell you the brand, but sound quality does sound really good on this headset for the price. So since I did mention the different color options that are available for this headset, I want to jump up here to Amazon's website real quick just to show you what they look like. So let's pop up here real quick. So here we are. We have a black and red set. We have a black and blue set. We have a black and white set. We have a camo with a orange ring. We have a pink set as well. And these all have different color rings on the outside. The lighting can be turned off, but it cannot be changed. It does have a breathe effect or a solid stationary color, but it cannot be changed with the actual colors themselves. So as you can see, the dongle right here has a type A connection or type C connection. Either one of these connections can be used with your PC or whatever type of connection you need, whether it's C or A, both work flawlessly for this headset. And you can use Bluetooth as well. As I stated, it works for PlayStation. It does not work for Xbox at all, but it does work for PlayStation. It works for Switch, and it also works for PC as well. There are a multitude of buttons located on the bottom of each earpiece. The left earpiece right here controls the power. You also have the port available for 3.5 millimeter connection. There is also the volume control, and you have a mute option for the microphone. And we'll let you listen to the microphone in just a moment, and it'll let you hear what it sounds like while using the microphone in conjunction with this headset. Okay, so for the rest of this video, we're going to be using this microphone. Just give you a better feel of what it sounds like as I am wearing this headset throughout the video. But as I stated, the microphone, you can hear it right now. There are no EQ filters, anything done to it whatsoever. So this is what you should expect whenever you plug it up. One thing I will say is that the microphone volume is extremely low. I have the volume in Windows turned all the way up to 100%. And this is how loud it is on OBS while I'm recording. I have OBS maxed all the way out. Like I said, no filters, EQ, limiters, compression, anything like that done to it. And this is what it sounds like. I noticed when I listened back to a short clip of the video, it was really low. So I had to turn the headset almost up to 80%. That way it would sound or be able to be audible in a way that is very clear. So you can simply touch the button located on the back of the headset to mute the microphone in the event that you have a microphone like I have, or you don't want to use a microphone. You can just retract it and make use of it that way. So as I stated, I have multiple wireless headsets. I have this headset right here. I have one from SoundPeaks. I have a set of Corsair Virtuoso wireless headphones as well, and I also have a set of Plantronics Bluetooth headphones that I actually wear at night a lot of times while I'm laying in bed. But as far as actual sound quality and ranking goes, I would rank these in accordance with those four, being the Plantronics at the top of the list, and they are actually a $300 set of headphones that I've had for about 8 years. Then I would rank the SoundPeaks, which are actually about a $60 set of headphones. They are Bluetooth only. Sound quality on them is absolutely amazing. Then we have these, which would be my third place option. And then my fourth place option will be the Corsair Virtuoso. And reason being, sound quality is not nearly as good as these. It is also extremely heavy in comparison to these. So lightweight, sound quality is really nice. $40, you can't beat it. So if you're looking for a headset, don't have a headset, and you need one for a PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Switch, or PC, again, this will not work with the Xbox, so keep that in the back of your mind if you have an Xbox at all. So this is my review of the Valorise UG-08S. If you like the headset, want to pick it up, link will be down in the description below. It will be an affiliate link, as always. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Give me some comments down below for some future tech that you would like to see in coming days. But as always, much love, and we'll see you soon.